Friends, I have given plain water wash on this drawing. Still wet somewhat. We will use blue for the face, red for the center and yellow for the leaves and stem. You may intermix these three colors. With the result, you will get secondary colors also. Now, let's imagine how will this flower look if it receives sunlight from above. It will enjoy more light on the top and mid-tone and shade below it. So let's start with a very light tone with lot of water in it. This time let's give the light tone throughout the entire area of the face. This is the third method that you are learning. We can add a small petal here. Now for the petals, the entire area I am giving area of the face. You have to give time for it to get dried. We learned about dry brush, isn't it? This brush is dry. Allow it to be extra color to be sucked by a dry brush. As decided earlier, red color, the lightest tone of this. If the stem and leaves are colored in yellow, it will appear as though it's a totally dried plant. That's why intermixture will save us. To give justice, let it dry for some time. When it receives sun from above, you will have more of light on top and shade below and mid-tone on this side. I tried my level best to get a real zinnia for demo. Actually in the month of June, July, they should be available. I don't know what happened. Anyways, these rules remain the same. Like if there is a fold, then you get shade over here. Those rules won't change. You can indicate some lines over here. This petal is below this one. So it enjoys light on top. You have seen more in the center. With the result that on the sides, it will be like a cup. The center portion will receive more light. This can be covered with texture later. Mix very little of blue to it because as I said, mixing is allowed, so you don't have to worry. Light is more above. You may say that 2 3 times to remember. Light falls from above. Curvature side you will get mid-tone. Now this portion will be, these two will be darker because the shadow of these also will fall on these two leaves which are below it. So even though you get direct light from above, these will be darker than the above ones. The second layer, more layers will make it look more realistic. Just touch up the vein slightly. Now this portion is above the stem. So about this much part you will receive shade because the shadow of this flower will fall on the stem, right? Rest of it on the sides, leave the center portion for light. Here again, of course, you receive shadow of this leaf here and a part of this leaf, not much. The center part will enjoy more light. You can take direct blue to show some cup like, twists and turns. Through the method of color flow. At the same time, it should not lose its transparency or turn to be very much decorative. That we must be careful. Now if this leaves shadow falls on this, a bit of shadow here on this, that will be seen. And noon time you would have seen how your shadow looks below your feet like this. As it is noon time, the shadow will be seen right below the tip of the stem and a bit of shadow of these shadows of these leaves also to make it look more natural. It should look natural, not decorative. Care should be taken. We can add a pinch of Prussian blue here. Wherever you get the folds. This is the third layer that we are giving on this portion, and of course some lines in the middle. Which will add to its beauty, texture. With small dots like mustards. Effect. On the sides also a bit, both sides. And this will be like this. You may get a good look. Of all the three beauties, they stand like models ready to go on a ramp walk. The first one we have used red orange, then blue purple and also yellow green. Second one yellow orange, red purple and blue green. And today we have used the primary triad color scheme with red, blue and yellow. These two plants were colored in tertiary triad color scheme. Friends, if you like this video, please give a like, hit the bell button and subscribe to our channel KACC Creator for its different, unique and genuine. And you know that. See you soon. Till then, Shubha Dinam.